About spending money, commission, retainers, and piecework. So workers who sell things are often paid by commission rather than just by the number of hours that they work. So the commission is a percentage of the value of the item sold. So you sell more cars, you get more money. You don't sell cars, you don't get money, that kind of thing. And the more you sell, the more money you get. Some people who are paid commission all receive a small amount of money without selling anything. So they say, look, we'll give you $100 a month. Then after that, every car you sell will give you 50. So they give you a small amount a month, and that's called a retainer. Okay, that's just you get that no matter if you sell a lot or if you sell a little bit. Tradespeople often quote a price based on the amount of work done rather than the amount of time the job takes. Because, for instance, if you said, could you please come and do my bathroom and I'll pay you per day, the guy could take 4 days to do it, or you could take 1 day to get the same job done. For example, a floor tiler quotes on the number of square meters of tiles he's going to lay. A fruit picker is paid for the number of pieces of fruit picked, and this type of work is called piecework. All right, let's look at an example. Debbie works selling real estate. She's paid a weekly retainer of $170. So she gets $170 no matter what, plus 1.5% of the value of all the properties that she sells. Last week, she sold a house for $355,000 and she sold a unit for $219,000. What was her pay? So first of all, we've got to put together how much she sold for. So she sold for $355,000 and $219,000. We add them together, so we get $574,000. Then we know that she got paid 1.5%. So we times it by 1.5 and we divide by 100. I want you to try that on your calculator. You can see how it comes out. And she gets a total of 8610. Add on to that her 170, that should be 170, and her total is 8780, and that's how much she earns altogether. Another example, Aaron is paid 85 cents per box when he picks apples. How much is he paid for picking 170 boxes? So what we're going to do there is we're going to go 0.85, because we're going to put it into a dollar amount, times 170 boxes, and you do that in your calculator, and you get he gets paid $144.50. Remember, 2 decimal places, and remember always to put your dollar sign in.